Hello friends, today I'm learning drawing with my father.
Okay, and how are we learning?
By doing the 6 minute 100 days challenge.
By doing this 6 minutes
100 days
100 days challenge. And what is this challenge about?
about learning
About learning. So we
and improving my sketching skills.
improving the sketching skills. Are you on this challenge with us? If yes, tell us in the comments below if you have already participated in the challenge and you are on the journey of learning how to draw easily. Yes?
Yes.
We are on episode number 6.
6.
And the episode 6 is about, what was the episode 5 about?
A D.
The letter D. We drew a dart and what did we draw?
A door.
A door and the danger symbol. This time it's the letter E that we are gonna draw.
Yeah.
What are the things that comes to your mind when we think of letter E?
Eggs.
Eggs,
Elephants.
elephants
Envelopes.
and envelopes.
And earth.
And earth.
Very
Easy
big.
to draw, right?
Yeah.
Very, 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 very easy. And I am sure that you can do it quickly, Parikshit, isn't it?
Yep.
So let's start with the drawing of an elephant, the most difficult one. The earth, the envelope and the egg is gonna be very, very, very easy.
Easy.
Let's get started with the drawing of an elephant.
Let's start with the trunk.
Let's start with the trunk. Okay. Yes. Then what do
Like
we
that.
have? Yeah. No, we do not have to. The trunk here it will be narrow, and then it will increase in size over here.
Oh,
Like this.
it's into it.
I will give you the eraser. And then make the smiling tongue. Okay. Are you drawing with us? Okay, now that the trunk is done, we draw the eyes.
Wait.
And the cool. Now the body. It's gonna be a little difficult. Be with me. The ears. Let's do the ears first. They have big ears, right?
Yep.
Like this.
Mine does not look like a tongue.
It's okay. Finish it.
Does it?
Now the legs. Before we do the legs, let's finish the body. From the ears, the big yeah, Parikshit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Does this look like an elephant? It looks like, right?
What if some of you said no?
They would say us in the comments. And we will try to do better drawings the next time.
Yeah, because you all are learning.
Touch the close ones. Okay, and what does an elephant have? A tail.
Yep. Not a tail, it's a trunk.
This is a tail. Come on.
It looks like a trunk.
I'll finish the trunk. The elephant is made. Now what do we make?
The trunk.
The envelope. How does the envelope look like? Let's draw it on the tail of the elephant.
Okay. falling down from the sky. Huh?
Is this how the envelope looks like?
Nope.
Yeah, it does.
That looks like a house garage.
The envelope is done.
Wait.
Now what we do is the egg.
Can you help me to see, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Then a house. Then one more house. Then I'm done. Why are we making a chick?
We are making a broken egg.
A chick has fallen out. Or is
Will
it
be falling out.
coming out?
Okay. And where did the earth go? We didn't make the earth yet.
No.
Let's make it on the top.
Let's make a half earth.
Mm-hmm. Now what do we make?
Parts of the earth. And way.
Okay. And what do we do now? Quickly color it a bit. We won't color it completely. Just the eyes. And then maybe we can sketch it actually. So the episode 6 of 6 minutes 100 days challenge is almost
I think this
over.
is less than 6 minutes.
What we have noticed is that whenever we started with this 6 minute challenge, we never ended our drawing in 6 minutes. We always stressed it more than 6 minutes, and this is exactly what will happen to you.
Or and maybe sometimes less than 6
Sometimes it
minutes.
could be less, but most of the time it is going to be more than 6 minutes. So the idea is that you get started telling your mind that you are only going to do it for 6 minutes, but when you actually do it, you do it for 8, 9, 10, 12, 15 minutes maybe. And this makes you learn drawing more and more and more. Okay?
Yeah.
So what did we make today? An elephant.
Elephant.
An elephant. Egg.
I want
Earth.
something.
And an envelope.
Yeah.
Wow. We are done with our day 6. Did you enjoy this drawing?
Yes.
Did you enjoy the day 6?
Yes.
Did you learn something new? If yes, tell us in the comments below, and do not forget to
Elephant.
share your day 6 drawings with us on Instagram and tag us hashtag 6 minutes 100 days challenge, and also join us on our Facebook group where you will see people like you sharing your drawings with us,
Yeah.
and
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
go to them, know them, connect with them, speak to them, and do a lot more with Parikshit and me here on Kids Fun Learn Club. See you in the next drawing, that is the episode 7. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.